What is up everyone watching the knowledge channel, and in this video I will show you how you can enable call recording or how you can record calls in Realme X7 Max or X7 Max 5G. So before starting video, if you are new to this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon for more latest videos. So to record calls in Realme X7 Max or X7 Max 5G, first of all you just need to open call settings. So just open call settings and then follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.